When I first started at the company, I didn't know too much about environmental consulting. I understood that there were a lot of moving parts, and so I entered with an open mind, just hoping to learn as much as I possibly could. From a technical perspective, I think I've really learned a lot in the last year. Every project is unique. There, again, are a lot of moving parts happening. Especially in the fieldwork aspect of my job, I've learned so many hands-on techniques in the field, seeing real-world solutions being implemented and being part of that, like doing operations and maintenance on an SSB system, or getting to sample groundwater to see the contamination decrease over time over various quarters of sampling. That kind of hands-on learning experience has been invaluable. It's not something that I would have been able to receive just through education. Being part of the workforce, especially at Geosyntec, has helped me understand just how solutions actually get implemented in the real world. It's not just in theory, it's in practice. From the very start, I felt extremely supported by my supervisor at the workplace. She was an incredible mentor from the jump, encouraged me to reach out to others in the office and ultimately outside of the office to understand people's various career journeys and what they do at Geosyntec, what projects they're involved in. And what I found within my first month at the company is that anyone I've talked to is so willing to have conversations with you, tell you about themselves and what they're up to, and just have an actual real interest in getting to know you and what you're interested in. And I've been offered at this point many times to be pulled into projects, or that people will keep an eye out for opportunities for me. Everyone just seems very willing to collaborate and look out for one another. So yes, definitely from the start, I felt very supported by the Geosyntec culture.